Good evening, YouTube. Financial Freedom with Velvet here. Came on here to record this video about. This is going to be about two different sites, okay? The first site we're going to talk about is Clicksfly. I found this site because I was on YouTube doing some research, just looking at different videos on other opportunities to make money from home. Came across this one. Basically, you earn money for shortening URLs. Basically, when someone clicks on your link and you get views on that video, then you get paid for it. So this is like a way to get paid for views, okay? For clicks, basically. When people click on your link and they view your video, you get paid for it, okay? So it's basically shortening URLs. So I've came across something like this in the past, but it didn't really work out. So I came on here to bring you guys Clicksfly because it's a site that everybody needs, and it's free to join, and you make money with it. So right off the bat, I'm going to take you to the withdrawal section here. And you see, this is, I have not started promoting this, that's why I have zero balance. But withdrawal button will be closed on Saturday and Sunday. So Saturdays and Sundays you cannot withdraw. Weekly pay for Paytum, UPI, Bitcoin, Skrill, Payeer, bank transfer every weekend. Monthly pay for PayPal between 1 to 8 of the next month. Okay? Don't forget that. Alright? So right here, this is how you know that you've gotten paid or okay, so pending, the payment is being checked by our team. Approved, the payment has been approved and is waiting to be sent. Completed, complete, the payment has been successfully sent to your payment account. Canceled, the payment has been canceled. Returned, the payment has been returned to your account. Okay, so if you get any of these, you want to look for the approved one and the complete one, because those two will let you know. The complete one lets you know that your payment's in your PayPal account or whatever payment method you choose. So I'm going to go over here to settings, profile. This is where you fill out your information, everything. So here we go. So the minimum withdrawal for Clicksfly is $3. So when you get to $3, you can cash out. And if you cash it out through PayPal, like I said, bank transfers, you got to get to $20. Okay? You got to get to $20 to cash out. Some of these are going to have fees. Bitcoin's 3% fee, Payeer 3% fee, Payoneer is a 2% fee, and Skrill is 2% fee. So you get charged a 2% fee for these two, for Payeer and for Bitcoin. But PayPal, bank transfer, Paytum, UPI, and MobiCash, Jazz Cash, you won't have to have any fees. Okay? So remember, for PayPal, $3 minimum. Okay? Like I said, I wanted to bring this video to you guys before I started, referring people to it, just because I wanted to talk about you guys about it. And it's a really good site. I like it. I'm not going to lie to you. I like it. It's an awesome site. And I do believe that you guys, can make money with it. I really believe you can if you really want to. I really believe you can. So what I'm going to do right now is go to my email. Go to my email and save the link in my email to Clicksfly. So let's put my Clicksfly referral link. So I'm going to go to compose. This is something you guys should be doing, okay? When you want to save something, I would highly recommend saving it in your email. Like if you have a password you want to save it to your email. So you'll never have to worry about, oh my God, I forgot my password. So I'm going to do this. I have a lot of emails, so Clicksfly URL referral link. Referral link. Clicks. Hold on. So when I get ready to promote this, I have the link. Okay, so you're probably wondering what Pillowbux is. We're going to talk about that next. Like I said, you guys, I come on here and I give you guys opportunities that can make you money from home. You know, I do my research, I watch videos as many as I can to make sure you guys have the opportunity, the things you need. Okay, so the next one we're going to get into is Pillowbux. Okay, I'm checking this because this is a screen recorder. It's called Bandicam. If you guys want to do your research on it, you really should think about highly getting this. At the moment, I'm limited to only 10 minutes per video, which means I can only record up to 10 minutes. So I kind of want to keep this video short, sweet, and to the point. So I'm going to go ahead and go over here to Pillowbux. I'm going to sign out of this. You guys get the gist of that. It's a URL shortener in your page to when people click on your links and stuff. Okay, so we're gonna go to Pillowbux. Oops, spelled it wrong. My bad. Sorry about that, guys. www.pil. Okay. Now this is something you guys should be highly into because this is, you know how when it asks you if you're not a robot, you need to click on the pictures, the images. This is called captcha solving. Okay, you get paid to solve captchas. Like some words will appear on the screen, and you just type what you see. Basically, you get paid to type. Basically, this is easy. I've done these before. It's really easy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let's see. Let's sign in here. See if my stuff's saved here. Yeah, it's saved. Okay. Okay, so here we are on my account here, you guys. I have not. Hold on 1 second. Why is it not letting me? Hold on. I have not started using this site just yet. I wanted to bring you guys a video only because I highly believe that this will really help you guys out. Now you get paid. So it says for every 30,000 captures you solve, you get a $2 bonus. Okay. Now to withdraw, it's $2. For PayPal, Bitcoin, Gcash, and eLoad, you get is $2. For Steam Wallet, Mobile Legend, Diamonds, and Paula WAN Express, it's $5. Okay? Payments are made within 5 to 15 business days, Monday through Friday, right after the administrator checks your account. There are no withdrawal fees. Upon requesting for a withdrawal, everything you earn will be yours, no strings attached. Okay? So, like I said, I have not started doing this. But here is how it works. You have the daily captures and you have the unlimited captures. Okay? So you will be given 1 minute to encode. Hold on, let me make sure that I'm not. Okay. I won't be able to keep this video long, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and look for referrals so I can get the referral link. Okay. Copy. Okay. So you know what? I'm going to go ahead and end this video, you guys. But they have unlimited captures and daily captures. You just solve them. And, I only can record up to 10 minutes per video. I'm going to be getting the unlimited one, which is $39 one time. If you guys are interested, I highly recommend you get Bandicam because it is a really good recording thing. So I'm going to end this video, and I'll see you guys in future videos.